Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to unbox GoPro Hero 9 which I got a few days back. The new GoPro Hero 9 comes with a couple of new things. You can buy it from GoPro website or from Amazon online store. So this is my first unboxing video, so I'm so excited to see what is inside. So let me open it very carefully. The first thing I can see is a beautiful case, really cute and black in color. So let me open it. Here comes our cute little camera with some of the important accessories. All these accessories are coming along with this bundle pack. Here is the pocket. Let me see what is hidden inside. So the first thing that I can see is a 32 GB memory card. I think it won't be enough for the use. You may have to buy another one. Here comes some of the instructions for the users. Then you can subscribe to GoPro. For this you have to go to their website and check for more details. This is the user manual in which they are talking mainly about the safety instructions while you change the battery and such kind of things. Here comes the handler for the camera. It has a good hand grip and the non-slip grip help us to hold the camera even inside the water very safely. This is the mounting buckle. This is used to attach the camera with handle or any clamp. We have two thumb screws coming along with this. Here comes the curved adhesive mount. You can mount it on your helmet, and this is really useful for the vloggers who are traveling and making wonderful videos. This is the clip mount. You can mount it into any clean or curved surface. This is also really useful for the vloggers. We have two batteries coming with this bundle pack. It has an improved battery life. Battery life, of course, it always vary depend upon the different modes and the features that we are using. So it may differ from one person to another. Then there comes a C-type cable to connect with the charger and charge the battery. And here comes our star, the cute little camera. This is very light in weight and very cute to see, like a baby. It has a front-facing LCD screen. We can shoot videos up to 5K resolution using this at 30 frames per second. You can also capture 20 megapixel photos using this camera. So let me open this. This is waterproof up to 33 feet also. It may be small in size but really useful for the vloggers. GoPro Hero 9 Black has a few changes from the previous generation models. We can frame self shots using the front-facing LCD color screen. That means it gives us a preview of the shots we are taking, so that we can correct the frame as needed. We can connect this camera to the phone using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This camera works with a free mobile app that needs to be downloaded from the Apple Store or from the Play Store. It has a built-in editor also inside the app. It helps us to make quick videos as well. We can also create stories based on the highlights from our videos using this app. So thank you so much friends for watching my video till this time. I will come with another exciting video, maybe a cooking video or something like this. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay healthy and happy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do not forget to comment and share if you like this.